How to change your gender on Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can how you guys can change your gender on your Roblox. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. What you'll need to do is first open up a web browser and go to roblox.com. You can open up Roblox app as well if you use it from there. After you're there, tap on the gear icon on the top right. Then tap on the settings option. After you're here, you should find your account information. So you can find everything including your name, email, password, your age and everything. And you should also find your gender option. So if you've already selected a gender, you can change it by choosing the other one. And after you selected the other one, it will get saved. Let me tap on this and there we go. I've just changed the gender of my Roblox account. After you've finally done that, you can tap on the save option and tap on OK. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you change your gender on your Roblox account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.